I think we should, be very honest that this is. I put it this way always. This is not a sprint. This is a marathon, because gangsterism and organized crime, because gangsterism has really evolved in, as I say, sophisticated networks that, as we have come to know, infiltrated so many spheres of our lives and of the state and government itself. So we have called for declaring of a state of disaster as a solution, because we wrestle with the issue. We wrestle with the fact that the frustration of people has reached high levels. So the state of disaster is something different, because it says this is not just a security or military problem. This is a challenge that is deep rooted, also especially in the socio-economic conditions that feed gangsterism and organized crime. So a state of disaster, especially in some of the hotspot areas, will, we believe, unleash resources of government. It will concretize the government's dictum of whole of government, whole of society approach. It will, of course, work with police and other, because police are key, but police have failed. They do not have a clear plan. We are sitting with them. We've been sitting with the minister, and we have committed ourselves to work with police to find or co-design, as we put it, a plan that is workable, that will have deliverables and measurable outcomes.